Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nora Shiva Asila. In this video, I will explain about pragmatic competence and interactional competence. The text provides a solid introduction to pragmatics, focusing on its core concept and key concept. Here's the main points. Core focus of pragmatics. Social language use pragmatics explores how language is used in different social contexts and why speakers adapt their language depending on the situation. Meaning beyond the literal, it examines how people understand implied meanings, non-literal language, and indirect communication. Conversational management. Pragmatics look at how conversation flow, how people use common phrase, and how they manage turn-taking. Appropriateness over accuracy. Unlike syntax, pragmatics is less concerned with grammatical correctness and more with whether language used is fitting and conventional in a given social setting. Key concept and example. Crystal definition. Pragmatics is the study of language from the point of view of users, especially in the choices they make, the constraints they encounter in using language in social interaction, and the effect their use of language has on other participant in the act of communication. Jack and Mark example. This scenario demonstrates how the same request can be phrased differently. Casual, neutral, polite, depending on the relationship between the speaker. Husband, like husband, friend, boss. It highlights the concept of choice and constraint in language use. Pragmatic competence. This involves the components. Number 1 is socio-pragmatic competence. Knowledge of social rules and norms that govern language use, when to be formal or informal. Pragmatic linguistic competence. Knowledge of the linguistic tools for expressing intention within social constraints. How to formulate a request politely. Speech, acts, and politeness. Speech, acts are action performed through language, requesting, apologizing. Politeness strategies are used to mitigate potential social friction considering. Number 1, power. The difference in social standing between speaker. Number 2, social distance, the closeness of the relationship. Number 3, degree of imposition, the burden of the request on the listener. Implicator. Understanding implied meanings through the floating of Grice's conversational maxim, quantity, quality, relation, manner. The text provide example of how speaker can imply more than they literally say. L2 pragmatics. The text touch on how second language learners develop pragmatics competence, moving through stage from basic to fine-tuned use. It also mentioned the influence of L1 pragmatic norms and the potential of learners to over polite or waffle. Overall, the text provides a clear overview of pragmatics using relatable introducts the reader to the key areas of inquiry within the field and highlights the importance of understanding language used in its social context. I think enough. That's all I can explain about pragmatic competence and international competence. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.